Oh my god, there's so many people here, it's so laggy. I'll try to talk really hard. I can't walk anywhere. Why is this so laggy? I mean, no matter what, I'm gonna be laggy, so. Wisteria isn't on. She won't be on quite a while. Each time I ever go on, she's never on. So I'm gonna try going on next Thursday and saying what time she'll be on. So I think I'm gonna go to a party. Let's go to a party, best friend. And my fans. What happened to my fans? I think I'm frozen somewhere. It's so laggy. A party. Wow, it's so laggy, guys. I literally typed this in a long time ago. A party. Let's go to a party's den. I think his den is less. Oh, login wallpaper. No wonder why I was frozen for a little while. So let's do this. Imagine I get 2 daily spins. That would be amazing, bro. Even if I got 2 daily spins, it would be on camera. Boy, no. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Even though I didn't get 2 spins, so. Eventually you'll see my face, just not now. Not now, best friend. Let's go to a party. I told you we're gonna go to a party den. So we're gonna go to a party den. So we can go to his den and stock on his fans. So let's do it. What? Full. 4. A party's den is full. A party's den is full. No. I was planning on going to a party. Let's go to Jillian too. Then let's hope that's not back. Julian 2. Oh wait, what? It's pink. I think he got scammed again. Dude, comment. I'm kidding. Don't comment because this isn't even a freaking video. So let's do this. I think I should be a spinny boy for this, cause this is like extremely wrong for me to be a freaking ugly giraffe in his den. So let's freaking become a freaking you know what. Let's become a freaking koala. let's freaking be Spinny Boy. I mean, I've played AJ for such a long time. And this is a new gamer kid, so they think I'm a newbie. I also support Justeria. Justeria is life. Wisteria Moon and Julian too. Oh my lord, they look so cute together. Oh, it's so adorable, but I think for members only. Freaking members, bro! I can't even be a pig! I can't be a pig! Let's become a freaking Spinny Boy! It's probably really loud, I'm sorry. I think I should shut up a little bit, so let's shut up. They do this, yeah. They do this, da 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 da. Going to delete him anyway. I won't be a Spinny Boy. I just don't. Oh, pink, white, that, and that. Oh my god, I don't even have enough money for that, bro. By the way, I do. Oh, loud. I record very loudly, so be warned. No, really, be warned. I have warned you. Be warned. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Okay, that's new. And they added stuff. Ooh, I really want that. I want